Hi guys, it's Haz from Haz Motorsport, and today what we have for you here is some HKS performance car parts. So these are for the Nissan GTR R35. So what do we have here first? We have, I think this must be the intake kit, acting like I can read Japanese, but let's get this open. Ooh, a nice little HKS racing suction sticker there. Some little foam pieces. Instructions manual. We've got some nice pictures. Nice little breakdown here. There you go. Bit by bit. I'm sure you guys can understand this as well as me. Right, these are the main pieces to the puzzle. So the HKS racing suction filters. That looks like a quality foam, and that meshing is quite hard. Nice HKS branding, good quality hardware. So you've got your racing suction filters. They are kind of small, I'm not gonna lie, but you know, maybe they do a good job still. When you're expecting an intake, especially on an R35 or something, you expect huge filters and stuff, but hey ho. And then these are just the normal pipes and stuff. Good quality. Some silicone hosing. Okay, two ply HKS branding on the hosing as well, and these are remainder intake pipes. Actually, let's open one of these and check what the welding is like. See what the Japanese, if they're manufactured in Japan, the welding is like. Wow, one piece. Alright, I see you. Looks like it's just made from one piece. High quality. You know, the drill holes, the screw holes are very good quality. No issues there. I'll get the remainder of the parts open. So we've got an intake kit. We've got some intercooler piping as well, and then we also have the actual intercooler itself. So that's a GT1000 series. Let's try and get some of these open. Intercooler piping, we know what that's going to look like. It's going to be pretty much this quality. Let's see if we can get a intercooler open. Instructions manual. Just like a little plate here. Your little scuttle plate or something. Right, there we go. There's the monster. Slowly open this up. There we go. Nice quality high flow intercooler. Decent welding, not too bad. But here you go. there's the intercooler. So obviously with the GTR being a twin turbo, there's one on each side, and let's find out, let's have a look at what's inside here. Okay, this one's 3-ply at least. So we've got a 3-ply silicone hose here, some little inlets as well. So the HKS kit here, like I say, probably be about 7,000 odd for the intercooler piping and the induction kit. I'm sure this induction kit fits the BOV as well, so the blow-off valves. Let's have a quick look here. I think this kit, one of these kits, I don't know if it comes with blow-offs or it's fitting for blow-offs. So I'll see if I can open these up. Let's have a quick look in this actually. Clamps. Gotta be clamps. Yeah, it may just mean that it fits for the blow-off valves. And it's the only one that I didn't open, so let's get it open. It's the intercooler piping kit, comes with the dump valves. So I thought it's just gonna be intercooler piping, but nope. Looks like a nice little shiny batch. Yeah, it's well packed, neatly packed. Let's have a look at this. This might be that BOV kit, because I remember reading somewhere about the blow-off valves, and it makes sense with Mark just getting everything, including the blow-off valves. Oh yes, it's already, seems like it's already on the pipe itself. One thing else that I found here is the piping as well. Either they're hiding the welding really neatly, or these are just one piece. Look at this, come check this. You know, like the flanges and stuff. Can't see any welding and stuff. Wow. There you go, the HKS BOVs. Look at that. It's like a little jet engine, aeroplane engine on that. Nice little shiny thing. That's good quality. So they are included. I was thinking that the amount of price that is, the intercooler piping better come with some blow-off valves and stuff. So here you go, lads. It does come with the blow-off valve. So the HKS piping kit is complete with blow-off. So pretty much everything you need now. You've got your intercooler, your intake, your blow-off valves, intercooler piping, and just ready for big power now. So once he gets these installed, most likely he'll be going for some software with probably one of the JM Imports or Litchfields or whoever deals with GTR software nowadays for a nice little power increase. Peace.